Okay, so here what we are going to do is that we are going to find out h of g of inverse x. So here there are two things. Okay, first we have to find out the inverse function. G inverse x mean that first we'll find out the inverse function of g. Okay, and then we need to substitute the value in h of x. Okay, what does this mean? H g of inverse x, it means that in h function you have to substitute g of inverse function. So for that, first we need to find out g of inverse x. So g of x is cube 2x minus 5. Okay, what is the first step? The first step is that you will make it equal to y. Yeah, g of x is
Why?
equal to y. This is your first step.
Why?
Okay, the second step is that you have to make x as subject. This was our first step, that you have to write down g of x is equal to y. Now the second step is that you have to make x as
Subject.
subject.
Yeah, I did that already.
You know that for making x as subject, this is the cube root. I need to omit this cube root. So whenever you have to omit the cube root, you have to take the cube. You need to take the cube to omit this cube root. So I can write it down like this. Give me a minute. Let me connect my laptop with the charger. It's going to shut down.
Uh,
Okay, so we are going to we have to omit this cube root. To omit the cube root, we have to take the cube. Okay, so I'm going to take the cube on both sides, and this is the rule that if we have to take the cube on both sides. This cube root can be written as 1 by 3. Now I'm going to take the cube on both sides so that we can omit this cube root. You know that this cube root can be written as 1 by 3, so that's why I have written it like 1 by 3. Now I'm taking the
I
cube.
just wrote y cube equals 2x minus 5. I didn't write all that.
What did you ask?
No, when I had to move the cube root into the other side, I just wrote that it will become y cube equals 2x minus 5.
It's okay, you can write down like that. Okay, but I am telling you the all
Okay.
process. Okay, so I'm going to omit the cube root with cube. So I got y cube is equal to 2x minus 5. Now we have to make x as subject, so we are going to move 5 to the left side, so it will become y cube plus 5 is equal to 2x.
Yeah.
So we have to make x as subject, who is multiplying with x. When we will move it to this side, it will be divided. So x
Yeah,
is
I
equal
got
to
that.
y cube plus 5 upon 2. So this is our x. Now the third step is that you will this x will be written as like f of inverse x, and if we are taking the inverse of this x, it means that this y will become x. So it will become x cube plus 5
plus 5 over 2.
over 2. So this is basically, this is our function, which is g of inverse x. Sorry, we will convert it into g of inverse x. Our function was g of inverse x. So this is not f of inverse x, this will become g of inverse x. Yeah, so we found the answer of g of inverse x. What is the second step? As I told you that we have to find out at h of g of inverse x. So it means that in h function, in this function, we are going to substitute the value of g of inverse x. So in place of this x, I am going to substitute g of inverse x value. So let's do it. Now we are going to find out h g of inverse x. So basically, what is the function? h of x is 1 over x,
One
right?
over.
H of x is
Yeah.
1 over x. So in place of x I'm going to substitute this value. So it will be x cube plus 5 by 2. Okay, you can see that 1 is dividing with this value, so we can write it down like this: 1 divided by x cube plus 5 by 2. You know that whenever you are having two functions, you take the reciprocal. So 1 multiply by 2 upon x cube plus 5. So your answer of h g of inverse x is
Wait, miss. When
uh,
it's of g over x, doesn't it mean that you're supposed to like multiply the one from 1 over x with x plus 3, x cubed plus 5/2, and not the opposite way? I'm confusing this part now.
so this is your answer.
Because
Okay, let
but
me explain you.
I usually understand that it's that, since it's like x cube, right? Like imagine it was like 2x cube. It would be supposed to multiply 1 over x like with 2 with the x value, and then plus 5 with over 2. But is it supposed to be the opposite? Like if it's like 1 over x and x only has one value, don't you multiply
No,
1
no,
from
no,
the
no.
1 over x times x cube plus 5/2?
Why do we do this? X cube plus 5, you want to write down this 2 with both terms of the numerators. This is what you are saying. Hmm?
Oh, okay. Oh,
You
wait.
just need to take
If it
the,
is
this
if
is
it is
basically
x
1 is
of g
dividing,
inverse.
1 is dividing with x cube plus 5 by 2, okay, right?
Oh, miss, I have to find the h of g in, means I have to substitute the g value
H function,
into
yes, g of
the
inverse x
h
value into
like.
the h function.
Oh my god. Okay, okay, I understand now.
So this is how you have to solve it. I hope that now this is clear to you. Okay.
And now it's clear. I'll try to do
Okay,
it myself.
that's good. That's good.